Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and in today's video I'll dive into your body's immunity. And if you are suffering from psoriasis, you must balance your immunity to manage psoriasis from inside your body. So let us balance your immunity with nature's power to manage psoriasis simultaneously. So psoriasis is an autoimmune condition that affects the skin, but it's not just about managing your skin symptoms. Building a strong immune system can be a game changer in improving your overall health and managing your psoriasis. And if or someone you know is dealing with psoriasis, make sure to stick around for some actionable tips. The first one is the foundation of improving immunity, especially when managing an autoimmune condition like psoriasis, which begins with the food you eat. One of the most powerful tools is an anti-inflammatory diet, which we eat food rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. We can significantly reduce the inflammation of our body. Focus on incorporating foods like leafy green, soaked walnuts and flax seeds. These are packed with nutrients that not only fight inflammation but also support your immune system. Avoid processed food, sugar and refined carbs which can trigger inflammation and worsen psoriasis symptoms. Next up is hydration. Keeping your body hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to support your immune system. When you are hydrated, your skin stays moisturized, which is crucial for psoriasis patients. On the other hand, dehydration can cause your skin to dry out and become more prone to irritation. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses. You can also induce hydration herbal teas of water infused with turmeric and mint. Now let us talk about stress. Stress is a significant factor that can trigger flare-up of psoriasis. So manage it is key to balance your immunity. When you are stressed, your body produces more cortisol, which can lead to inflammation. Chronic stress can even suppress your immune function, making it harder for your body to fight infection and maintain a healthy balance. So to manage stress, try incorporating relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or simply going for a walk in nature. Finding ways to de-stress will help you feel better physically and mentally. On the other hand, sleep is another critical element for balancing immunity. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, restoring your immune system and reducing inflammation. Lack of sleep can make your immune system weaker, which is not what you want, especially when dealing with psoriasis. Try to aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. To improve your sleep, make sure your bedroom is cool, dark and quiet and avoid screen for at least an hour before bedtime. A calming bedtime routine can also help prepare your body for restful sleep. Next, to keep your immunity in check, you should do regular physical activities which plays a massive role in balancing immunity. Exercise helps improve circulation, reduces inflammation and balance immune system activity. But it's important to note that moderation is the key. Over-exercising can sometimes have the opposite effect, so opt for moderate exercises like walking or yoga. These exercises help reduce stress, improve blood flow and keep your immune system functioning optimally. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. It doesn't have to be intense, but staying active will make a big difference. Now let us talk about herbs that can help balance your immunity, and these herbs are also called nature's medicine. So certain herbs have potent anti-inflammatory and immune balancing properties. For example, turmeric is known for its potent anti-inflammatory effect. It contains curcumin, which can help reduce inflammation and balance your immune system. Neem is another excellent herb that has antioxidant properties and can help reduce symptoms of psoriasis. So you can add these herbs to your daily meals or even take them as supplement. But always consult with your doctor before starting any new herb, especially if you are on medication or dealing with skin disorders. Finally, detoxifying your body is crucial in balancing immunity and managing psoriasis. Detoxing helps remove harmful toxins that can aggravate your skin and affect your immune system. You can detox naturally by drinking water infused with neem, cucumber and turmeric, or by adding detox-friendly food like leafy green, beets and apples to your diet. A good detox plan will support your body's natural ability to cleanse itself, which will also help strengthen your immune system. Remember, psoriasis is a journey, and by taking these steps, you are giving your body the best chance to heal and thrive. So that is all for today's video, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment below and I'll be happy to answer them also. If you and someone you know are suffering from psoriasis, then you can contact us at the number mentioned in the video. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay healthy.